Hello friends, welcome to Winner Study IQ. Today we will see the topic based on how whole world is suffering from COVID-19 and especially its effects on economies. Can whole world will face the worst recession? So without wasting time, let's get started. As per the International Monetary Fund, the world is likely to experience the worst recession since the 1930s. The global economy will suffer the worst financial crisis as the governments around the globe are grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic. The global economy is likely to shrink by 3% in the year 2020 due to the coronavirus pandemic globally that was first identified in the China in the year 2019. As per the growth projections presented by IMF, the emerging and developing economies will face challenges due to the coronavirus pandemic. The economies of emerging and developing economies will hit by 1% in the year 2020. Countries with low income will have to deal with the health crisis and systems as they are not strong enough to withstand this pandemic. Developing economies that are highly dependent on tourism will hit hard, and low income countries where the large population depends on daily wages to survive to require immediate interventions. Emerging and developing economies such as China, India, etc., will be in a better position as compared to the advanced economies. Emerging and developing economies of Asia such as China and India are expected to grow 1.2% and 1.9% in the year 2020. Economies in the Middle East and North Africa are expected to contract 3.3% this year. Other regions such as Sub-Saharan Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean will contract 1.6% and 5.2% respectively this year. The countries exporting oil will also be hit hard due to the lower revenues, belt tightening, and lower growth. Advanced economies will be contracted by 6.1% in the year 2020. These economies are expected to hit hard as most of them are suffering from the worst outbreaks of the global pandemic. As per the report projected by IMF, the US economy will contract by 5.9%, while the Eurozone is expected to contract by 7.5%. Economies of Germany and France is expected to shrink by 7% and 7.2% respectively. In Italy and Spain, the economy is expected to contract by 9.1% and 8% respectively, as these countries are the worst hit in Europe by COVID-19. As per Geeta Gopinath, IMF's chief economist, the world is better off on the health front in comparison to the Great Depression. While on the economic front, it makes a big difference as there are lenders of last resort. Monetary policies is proactively able to come in and ensure enough liquidity in markets. Fiscal policy is able to play a major role in supporting firms and households. She further stated that the IMF is expecting a partial recovery by the year 2021, provided that the global pandemic eases this year. Geeta Gopinath on Great Lockdown stated that this is crisis like no other, which means there is substantial uncertainty about the impact it will have on people's lives and livelihoods. The magnitude and speed of collapse in the activity that has followed is unlikely anything we have experienced in our lifetimes. IMF stated that since the global pandemic, it has received an unprecedented number of calls for emergency funding. Out of 180 members, over 90 members have asked for financial support. As per Geeta Gopinath, The world is facing the worst recession since 1930s. This clearly states that people at the lower level will face tremendous loss of income. So poverty will rise and inequality can go up. Let's see about the World Economic Outlook. The World Economic Outlook reports the published twice in a year in the month of April and October. The reports present an analysis of global economic developments during the near and medium term by IMF staff economists. The reports presents a detailed analysis of the world economy, issues affecting industrial countries, developing countries, and economies in transition to market and the topics of current interest. Let's see about the International Monetary Fund. IMF was formed in December 27, 1994 at the Bretton Woods Conference by ideas of Harry Dexter White and John Maynard Keynes. IMF's headquarters is located in Washington, D.C., United States. Currently, 189 countries are members of IMF. India joined the IMF in 1945. English is the official language of IMF. Currently, the managing director of IMF is Kristalina Georgieva and chief economist is Geeta Gopinath. Parent organization of IMF is the United Nations. So, due to the global pandemic, global trade may face a loss of 9 trillion US dollars. If the crisis continues in the second half of the year, an additional 3% fall is expected in the global GDP. So friends, we stop here. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to comment in the comment box. We'll meet very soon with a new current topic. Thank you.